Okay, we can give airplane rides. Who's first? Aubrey's first. Ready? Whoosh! You're holding on. No. Do you like the airplane ride? Who's gonna be next?
Me.
Yeah.
And Maddie be third.
Maddie will be third? Going from oldest to youngest? Okay, that sounds good. Okay, who's next?
Me.
Hunter's next. Maddie, are you upset? Don't be upset, Maddie. We love you. You're going to get an airplane ride in a little bit. Do you like the airplane ride, Hunter?
Yeah.
Okay, time to get down. Maddie, you got to move so I can put brother down. Okay. Madeline's turn. I love you, Maddie Patty. Airplane ride. Woo! Airplane ride. Okay. All done. Woo! Get airplane ride.
Not me. Me, Daddy.
Wait.